The view of the playback controller can be switched between simplified display and full display by clicking the View Change button. Click on the drive selection box to open the list, and then select a data drive storing navigation record data. Then select a folder storing the navigation record data you want to play back. Select the navigation record data you want to play back. The oldest time and the latest time of the selected navigation record data are set to their initial values and then displayed in the playback list. When navigation record data is selected, a chart is displayed in such a way that the position of own ship when recording has started is at the center of the dialog box. When display setting is executed, own ship's track is displayed on the chart. Sort the logbook data display sequence in the ascending or descending sequence based on the oldest time or latest time. To start playback, click on the Playback button. Playback of navigation record data starts. The Playback button is highlighted during playback, and the playback time and indicator and the playback slider control are also linked with the playback. To pause playback, click on the Pause button. Playback of navigation record data pauses. The Pause button is highlighted when pausing, and the playback time indicator and the playback slider control also pause. To resume, click on the Playback button. To stop playback, click on the Stop button. Playback of navigation record data stops. The Stop button is highlighted while stopping, and the playback time is reset to the playback start time, and the playback slider control returns to the starting point at the left edge. To change the playback speed of logbook data, select a playback speed from the list in the Playback and Selection box. Exiting the playback mode. Other tasks cannot be executed while the playback dialog box is being displayed. To execute other tasks, exit the playback mode. Click on the X button on the playback controller. To exit, confirmation dialog box appears. Outputting navigation record data. Select navigation record data from the File Manager submenu of the Tools menu, and then copy it to the output destination you specify. Open the File Manager submenu of the Tools menu. Select Voyage Log from the File tab selection box, and then select Local Disk from the drive at the Output Source selection box. Below the drive at the Output Source selection box, the Output Data Interval selection boxes and the calendar icon appear. By clicking on the calendar icon, specify the duration of the logbook data to be output. The selected dates appear in the Output Data Intervals selection boxes. Specify the drive of the output destination from the Output Destination Drive selection box and Output Destination folder from the folder tree. And the Copy button takes effect.